Hi, I'm Jody Worrell. Today we'll cover a guitar lick in the mold of a surf guitar instrumental. After learning to play the lick, we'll trade it back and forth over the jam track in E minor. I'll start by taking a closer look. Okay, here's our surf tune lick. I'm going to start off with 2 open 6th strings. Then I'm going to play the 2nd fret and then pull it off to open. Then, that's with my first finger. So I'm kind of in a position where my first finger is associated with the 2nd fret for the first part of the lick. So open, open, 2nd, pull off to open. Then I'll drop my 2nd finger in on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, just like where it wants to go. Then I'm going to play the 2nd fret of the 5th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string. Now what we're not looking for is a chord. We're not trying, the lick is not intended to sound like this. Those are all correct notes. That's a little E minor triad, in fact, kind of upside down. It's got the flat 3 on the bottom, 5th, and the root. But we want those notes all to be separate from one another. And you'll notice right after this note, there's a little 8th rest, so that gives us a second to kind of, get ready for the next note, and it gives the melody the kind of bounce it needs. Then I'm going to drop my 3rd finger in on the 4th fret of the 4th string, again in keeping with the position we've been in. I'm going to slide it up to 5, bring it back and play it at 4, and then play the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So one could say that bars 1 and 2 are in one position, then we're going to move a little bit for bars 3 and 4. So bars 1 and 2 are as such. 3, 4. Slide. Now I'm going to adopt a different position to play the last of the lick, because what I need is the 1st fret of the 5th string. So I need a finger for that. Once I've come back here with that finger, I'm going to go ahead and stay in that position. So I'll play from the 1st fret to the 2nd fret with the 1st and 2nd fingers on the 5th string. Then I'm going to just kind of roll that finger down a little bit and catch the 2nd fret of the 4th string, excuse me. Then I'm going to kind of roll it back up onto its fingertip and play that 5th string at the 2nd fret again. Then I'm going to play the 1st fret of the 5th string again, pull it off to open. Sorry. Excuse me. Then my 3rd finger is in a real good position to get to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then we'll play that open 6th string again. So the whole lick is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's the lick. One more thing I want to tell you about is I'm using a tremolo pedal to get this sound. And tremolo, we may know, is volume modulation. It's just a little automatic thing that's making it get a little quieter and then back up to speed. Doesn't make it louder, doesn't go up and back down, it goes down and back up. And any typical tremolo pedal will do about the same thing, and you can set it for how fast that volume fluctuation is and how dramatic it is. So you can really make it an extreme sound. I've got it kind of subtle. Just gives it kind of a spacey, cool sound. So anyway, there it is. There's our lick. Now we'll trade the lick back and forth. I'll play first, leave a space for you to play it. We'll do it 3 times each. I hope that gets you started down the road of surf guitar. Check out my premium lessons that cover major and minor surf guitar tunes. I'm Jody Worrell. I'll see you next time.